How do you take a static hamstring stretch and turn it into a dynamic one? So here's the static one. For the dynamic one, step your right foot forward. We're all doing this together. So then we're going to do arm circles as we move. So inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bow, sweep your arms forward and overhead. Inhale, come up. And then sweep your arms around and exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. In and out through the nose. And exhale. Inhale and lower your arms. Let's go the other side. Step your right leg back. So it's a pretty narrow stance here. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, bow, nice, strong, straight spine. Sweep the arms, inhale up. Exhale, bow, inhale up. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale, and inhale. Come to Tadasana, mountain pose, and then I'll explain a little bit more about what we'll be doing today. Hi everyone, it's Genene here with a yogic dynamic stretching sequence for the hips designed in particular for runners. So we're going to be stretching our glutes, our adductors, our abductors, and our hip flexors. So an all-around hip stretching sequence. So grab a chair, remember to hit that subscribe button, and let's begin. Let's begin standing today. So face your chair. This is mostly for balance. Take both hands to your chair. Feet parallel. Find Tadasana, close your eyes. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your nose. Make that your priority, this breath work, no matter what movement we're doing. State your intention for this practice. And then gently open your eyes. And bring your right hand to the chair and turn out. So we'll start by standing on our right leg and doing some stuff on our left leg, lifting. So strong right leg, and just start lifting your left leg up, and then circle your leg in around. So circle your knee. Just like that. Doesn't matter which way because we're going to go the other way. And then circle your knee the other way. And what you're going to notice is your job is to keep this pelvis nice and still, and you're moving the knee and the hip joint, so getting some mobility there. And then take a breath. And then either move you or move your chair to the other side. And so just leg circles, stand on your left leg strongly, and then lift the right knee up, knee bent, and circle. So the hips aren't really moving around. You're just getting some fluid in that hip socket. And then go the other direction and begin to notice, okay, how does this one feel compared to the last one? Lift up on your pelvic floor. Really helps you with your balance. Okay, now you can keep your chair here or move it to the other side, doesn't matter. But both hands are going to be on the chair. You're facing the chair back, like so. And inhale here. Exhale, step back. Bring your left knee down to the floor. Pull into the pelvic floor to come back to Tadasana. So Anjane, inhale, step the leg back, knee down. Exhale, center. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, back. Exhale, forward. One more. Inhale. And exhale, other side. Inhale, step your right leg back, right knee down. And then exhale, forward. Inhale, step back. Exhale, forward. Inhale. And exhale, looking straight ahead at something to help balance. and exhale forward, and one more, inhale and exhale. We're going to do the same thing, but the knee is going to stay off of the ground. Ready? So this is sometimes called crescent pose. So inhale, lift the leg back. Right knee now has to stay over the ankle, so don't let it come forward. And then pull into the pelvic floor, step forward. Inhale, step back. You're trying to get that front knee bent to 90 degrees, so I'm going to move this chair and then step forward. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. So you'll notice, inhale, that back knee, if you need it, put a bend in it. I won't mind. Or straighten the leg. Exhale. Let's do one more, just like that. Inhale and exhale. Other side. So inhale, right leg back. And the most important thing is safety. So keep the knee over the ankle here. And then exhale, forward. Inhale back, exhale forward. The pelvis, the deeper you go, will tilt forward. So your job is to keep lifting up on the top of frontal hip bones, and then exhale, forward. Inhale back, exhale forward. Inhale back, exhale forward. One more. Inhale back and exhale forward. How are you doing? Take a breath. Okay, now step your left leg back and spin that back heel to the floor. So you're not going to turn the leg out, right? You're going to instead just take the leg out about 15 degrees, turn the pelvis towards this front leg, bend the right knee. Warrior one. Got it? Warrior one legs. So you can hands on the chair or hands on hips. And then straighten the front leg and bend. Just like that. And right away you're going to notice if you take the lower leg into the midline, take the inner thigh away from the midline, and do the same thing, you'll get more out of it. Inhale and exhale. Lift pelvic floor for balance. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Other side. The hips are going to want to rotate towards the back leg. So your job is to rotate the hips the other way around. They're going to be asymmetrical. They're supposed to be. But just not totally asymmetrical. Okay. So bend the front knee. We'll start in our warrior one. So take the time to get your position. Then you can move it all over the place. Easier. Straighten the leg. And inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale. Exhale. Step the left leg forward. Find Tadasana. Find your center. Take a breath. Always coming back to this center. This is the hardest asana of the class. We're practicing focus and mindfulness. Reaffirm your commitment to the intentions that drew you onto your mat today. Spread your toes, pressing evenly through all four corners of your feet into the earth. Feel that energy draw up to the pelvis, and from the pelvis extend down the legs and up the waistline, From your rib cage, lift up through the crown of the head, eyes parallel to the horizon. Notice the freedom of your breath as it moves in and out through your nose. Place your right hand on the back of your chair seat. We can't not do the runner stretches, right? Traditional. So bend your left knee, grab your left ankle or the top of your foot. The knee comes in line with the right knee, and bring your left heel to your outer left hip, just like that. And then inhale, push the foot into the hand, get a nice shoulder opener, and then exhale, bring it back to center. Now step that left leg down, step it forward underneath the chair. Right leg steps back, foot on the ground. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale, bow. Get a hamstring stretch there. And then come forward. And let's do the other side. So you stand on your left leg, left hand on the chair back, right hand grabs right foot, knee to knee. Inhale, exhale, push that foot away. And then the right heel comes back to the outer right glute, stretch. And then step the right leg back, right leg forward, left leg back. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, bow. And then come forward and bring your chair off to the side. Take your legs nice and wide. Turn your feet out slightly and make sure your knees are right there in line with your feet. Hands to the hips, inhale. And then exhale, bend the knees out to the sides, arms out to the sides, elbows bent. And exhale, come up, inhale. And exhale, one more, inhale. And exhale. Turn your feet in, inhale, lengthen. And exhale, bow forwards halfway for the inner thighs and the hamstrings. Inhale. And this time, exhale, bow. Hands to the floor, all the way forward. And then inhale, come all the way up. Choose which one you want to do, halfway, exhale, or all the way. Bow, and inhale, come up. Then grab your chair and take a seat. So which is your favorite runner stretch? Let me know in the comments. Right now, you're going to cross right ankle over left thigh, left hand to the sole of the foot, right hand to the knee. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, start to bow forwards gently. Go to your edge. Imagine you're trying to take that foot all the way up to the sky as the knee goes down to the floor. And then inhale up and go to the other side. I know you can grab a strap and grab the foot if you need to. In case it's not as easy as all that, bow forwards, exhale. Inhale, come up. And then finally, the last one, take your feet wide. Inhale, lengthen through your spine. On an exhale, your hands come to the insides of your legs, root down through your sitting bones, and bow forwards. I'm really curious to see how this works for you and what you're going to use this for. What are you using it for? Are you doing it for a longer yoga practice or some other physical activity? Let me know in the comments below and we can chat about it. Meanwhile, thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Namaste.